everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a thrift store haul for you guys. It's actually a Goodwill haul for you guys. I have not been to Goodwill in my town in, I don't know, maybe a month. I've kind of started instead traveling to go to Bins that is a couple hours away from me, and I'm able to get so much more inventory for such a lower price that I've been doing that more frequently. It is quite a drive. It's about 2 hours away, but the first couple times I went, I found a lot of really great stuff. I've still been finding good stuff, but I did decide today, because I did some other thrifting, I decided to go to my Goodwill and I found a ton of good stuff. So I even found some Lululemon, which was really exciting because I never find that at my Goodwill. One thing about my town is this week I live in the cranberry capital of the world, and that just means we have a lot of cranberry bogs around here, and they have something called Cranfest very close to my town. It's in the town over, and so they had a ton of stuff. A ton of people were at Goodwill. It actually rained today, so I think people left Cranfest. They call it Cranfest. They left it early. It's a big festival. There's lots of food and vendors and stuff like that. And so I think that a lot of people just were thrifting at Goodwill because shopping there because they got kind of rained out the later part of the day. So there was a lot of people, which is one reason why I didn't get any video there, but I found so much good stuff. I could not believe it. So I always start in the dresses. Well, usually I do. There's less of them. They are kind of hard to look through because I'm pretty short. I'm only 5 foot, so they are kind of hard to look through. But I was like immediately almost, I found a Frank and Eileen by T-Lab dress, and that brand sells really well for a really good price. So I always love picking it up, and so I was like, whoo. So then I kept looking and I found some Free People, some Anthropologie, I found Maeve, I found Lululemon, I found Athleta. This is very uncommon for me to find all of these good brands at the same time at my thrift store, and I found multiples of some of these brands. I was really hoping to find more Frank and Eileen, but I could not find any more of her or of that. So let's get right into it. I also picked up some vintage or Y2k type stuff. I spent $130, I think. So that's not bad for as much. I got this huge bag full, and then this bag is half full. So let's just get right into it. They do have, should have counted that stuff, but they do have a color tag of the week. And then they have a $1.99 tag as well. So I ended up finding some stuff that was blue and yellow, because those were the colors that were had percentages off or were $1.99. So the blue, I think, was like, the blue is 50% off and the yellow is $1.99 or something. So I did get some of these for decent. I picked this up kind of for myself because it is kind of coming, some of this stuff is coming undone, so I don't know if I can sell it, but I thought it was so cute. This is Logo Lavish, so that's another line of Logo by Lori Goldstein. It is this beautiful embroidered, almost like a mini dress. I think it's adorable. You could wear like a sweater underneath it. It was only $2 because it was 50% off, so I was happy about that. Sorry, I'm trying to move my bags. Okay, so I just decided to keep it for myself. Now, I don't pick up all American Eagle, but I did pick up this bodysuit. And I picked it up because it was $3, which I have no idea what these go for. Probably not a lot, but I did pick it up. I'll put my stuff on that side. And I picked this up, which I don't normally pick up American Eagle, like I said, but I thought was cute. Some people tell me it does well, besides the jeans at least. This was $1.99. It's a size small, so they're small, but it's like off the shoulder. It's really cute. I might be able to find a stock photo of that. This was $2.50, and it is just like a Y2K era A-line skirt, like handkerchief hem skirt. And I picked it up because of the style, because it reminded me of Y2K. This was pretty cool to find. I think it might be a men's. Maybe it's a women's, I don't know. It is a Theory, and I don't pick up a lot of Theory. I don't see it very often, but it was $6.99, which I thought was kind of a lot, but it was new with tags. The Malbec Cardaceous is originally $95. If I can sell this for like $30, I would be happy. It's kind of like a maroon. Sorry, dark colors do not show up on my camera. I found these Athleta. They are a cropped size 10, which is a great size. They're like a cropped, ruched, like a capri or ankle pant. I don't pick up all of this brand, but I did pick this up because I thought it was beautiful. This is Michael Simon, and usually he's known for kind of like out there sweaters and printed stuff, like not just printed stuff, but like, I think I've gotten his like sweaters before, and they're like kind of like crazy, like art to wear kind of. This is tie-dyed, so that's why I got it. It's also beaded. It's by Michael Simon, and not all his tags look like that. This is probably a newer one. And it had a matching cardigan, which I thought was really pretty. And it was originally $8.99. It was 50% off. Wait, was yellow 50% off? Or was yellow $1.90? I think yellow was... I'm not sure. I'm not sure how much this cost. It was either $1.99 or $4.50. But it's 2 pieces, and I think, honestly, that this will sell for at least $30. So I found these, and I'm like, interesting. I found these. Right after I found those, I have Athleta pants. These are Lululemon Leggings. And, I mean, I hope that they're real, because I definitely did not look for that. Normally... Oh, there's a side stop. And there's a side... Okay, sorry about that. My phone, the storage is full, so I have too many videos, too much stuff, too many pictures that I have to delete stuff. So this brand is a brand that for some reason sells really quickly for me. It is a ThredUp or a Stitch Fix brand. It is the brand Y2k. Whenever I pick this brand up, especially new with tags, it sells really quickly. I think some people just really like certain pieces from Stitch Fix, and I think it's a Stitch Fix only brand. I'm not positive about that, but it's called Y2k, and I did pick it up for $5.99, and it's a tank top, so I kind of paid up, but I think that I'll be able to sell for $20 pretty quickly. So this is just a tank top I got for myself, and it was $2 or something like that. Okay, so I'm looking through trying to see if I can find more Lululemon, and I come across this with the original pull tag. It's a very beautiful, like a lilac-y purple Lululemon sweater, and honestly, guys, it's a size 8. It's in excellent condition. I don't know if it's ever been worn. Oh, man, I hated that it's so cute, and it's close to my size. I might have to keep it. I'll have to look this up and see what these go for. If they go for a lot, then I'll have to sell it. But then I found this. This is a mauve, or mauve, however you say that, which is Anthropologie. It's just like a cowl neck. It's like a green. It's very soft, flowy. That was $5.99. And a lot of the stuff at my Goodwill is like $5.99 or $6.99. This is just a top for me. It's like a loungewear top with a cute tie in the front. I got that for me. This I got because of the style, and I just realized that these straps were put on it. So I'll have to note that. These straps were definitely sewn on this. Oh well, it's still cute. This is like an asymmetrical, very Y2K top, like cami. So this is the Frank and Eileen dress. I'll have to look this up. It's from T-Lab, which still does well. It was only $5.99. It is like a maxi dress. It's like a t-shirt dress, but then it has like a slit in the bottom. I thought this was so cute, and I was really excited to find it. Then I found this, and it was 50% off, so I was like, yay. It's flax, which I don't find flax at my Goodwill very often. It's got like a pocket. That's orange linen top. I got this because it is Y2k No Boundaries. It has like cabbage hem sleeves. It's super cute actually it's very Y2k. So that's why I got that. That was $5, so I paid up. This brand I never got, but I've heard other people talk about it in like their Boots area. It was, I think, $2.50. It's like this really cute, like high-low tunic. I thought it was cute. It's like a coral color and it's textured. But I thought I would like to try out that brand, so that's why I picked it up. This is an Athleta top. It was $5, but it's a medium, and it's navy. It's in excellent condition. I don't think I'll be able to sell it for a lot, probably not more than 20, but I got this purely based on style. It is a men's. This is very Y2K. I remember what places like The Gap and Hollister had this on, like girl skirts and shorts and stuff, like Ralph Lauren maybe. I could probably sell this as a men's, we'll see. It was half off, so it was only $3.50. I got these. These are Y2K Mud Jeans. They are, I would say, an ankle. See, they're lace up. They were 50% off, and they're like, remember how that was really popular? They were $3.50, so I think those will sell for at least $25. I found an Eileen Fisher, like, lightweight top. I did pay $6.99, which to me is actually probably twice as much as I should have, but it's really nice and soft, so I found some good brands. I was really happy. Okay, so I'm looking, and this is the second Lululemon piece I found. I'm looking, I'm like, I already looked through this stuff. It's just like a base layer, I guess, and there's the, man, dark stuff does not turn very well. You can't see it, but it's right there. I would assume this is probably an 8 or, it's a 10 actually, which is nice that you could actually see from the pull tag, the 10 is still on there. So 3 Lululemon pieces, yay! I was really happy about that. I paid $12.99 for this, so I really paid up for this. But it's because it's new with tag-free people, and it's a size large, and I thought it was really cute. It's a dress. It's a textured, like, orangey peach dress. It is a tank, so you could wear something. Because it's new with tags, that's why I got it. It's the Perpetual Sunset. New with tags. I don't normally pay up that much, but I did. And Free People does not sell as well as it used to. This is a Dolan left of center dress. I actually have had a dress similar to this. It like ties, I think, in the front. But I can probably find a stock photo. It's really soft. What size is this? Ooh, it's a medium. And then I picked this up, and I do not know. What did he charge me for this? I actually think that the tag came off of this in my cart, so I have no idea what he charged. Let me see what he charged. I don't know what he charged me for it. I think he must have, this must be, I think they charged me $5.99 for this. One of the tags fell off in my cart, and I handed it to him, and he just threw it away. So he either didn't charge me for this, or because I don't see the tag, but it is, or he charged me less. This is a really cool vintage pull over, Scott, it's Columbia. And it's really cool. It's got the pocket. These do fairly well for me. Oh wait, there's something in here. What are these for? I like these little pull things. What are these for, guys? I have no idea what these are for. I don't know what those are for. I should check all the pockets. Sometimes you find money. You know, I got a pair of shorts at the bins, and there's a pocket that was like, I could not get it open. Finally, I got it open. It was $5. That was keeping the zipper from opening. Anyway, I think that is going to be a decent seller. And the last item I got was a Spanx dress. Spanx Assets dress. So I guess you wear this underneath a dress to keep yourself in. The only thing I'm noticing is it looks like the bottom was cut. I paid $6 for this, so I don't know. I guess I'll list it and see. I think I'll have to sell it cheaper though, because I didn't realize this. It really looks like like they maybe cut the bottom hem. Yeah, maybe it was too long. They wanted it for a short dress. I don't know. But that's everything I got. Yeah, I'm really excited to get all this stuff listed. I'm excited to start selling it, and I think it's gonna be fun. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me for this video today. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and please comment. That really helps me in the algorithm. Whenever there's a like or a comment, that really helps. And I do need more subscribers because I've got quite a ways to go until I can get monetized. But anyway, guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to come back and check out my channel. We'll see you later. Bye.